Hello folks, this is Jeremy Cloud from Cloud Investments, LLC with an educational economic update for October 2016. In this month's video, we'll discuss some of the events that influenced markets in September and help you understand what they could mean for you as an investor. As always, please stay tuned at the end for a required disclosure statement. The third quarter ended in volatility for the U.S. financial markets. After a sleepy summer with historically low volatility, markets became more turbulent in September. So let's talk about some of the headlines that drove market movements last month. The Federal Reserve was once again the source of much speculation. The central bank met in September to vote on interest rate policy and decided not to raise interest rates again. The Fed is in a tough spot right now because it needs to bring rates higher to avoid overheating the economy. However, central bankers also need to be careful not to raise rates too soon or too fast, or they risk hurting the economic recovery. The economic data right now looks moderately good, but the Fed knows that there are risks on the horizon. What comes next? It's not likely that the Fed will raise rates at the November meeting when the presidential election is still a political factor. So that makes the December meeting very important. Wall Street thinks the odds of higher interest rates after December are over 60%. Interest rates have complex effects on the economy, corporate profits, markets, and consumer finances, which is why investors care about where rates are going. Overall, we can expect the Federal Reserve to be a source of market volatility through the end of the year. The third release of Quarter 2 economic growth data shows that the economy grew 1.4% in the second quarter. While the growth is below trend, economists expect to see stronger growth return in the third quarter. Two unofficial projections of gross domestic product show that the economy may have grown 2.2% in Quarter 3. However, forecasts have came down steadily in recent weeks, and it's possible official growth numbers could disappoint. What can investors expect in the coming weeks? Volatility and more volatility. Markets are grappling with a lot of uncertainty, especially ahead of the November election. We also know that the Federal Reserve wants to raise interest rates this year. On top of that are concerns about oil prices and Britain's exit from the European Union. Overall, we can expect markets to remain uncertain until these important questions are resolved. As always, we'll keep you informed. That's it for this month's Educational Economic Update. Here are some upcoming events that we'd like you to know about. Dinner event held at the Fish Market, November 1 or 10th at 5:30 p.m. Rejuvenate Your Retirement, sponsored by Drake State, November 3rd and 10th from 1 o'clock p.m. to 3 o'clock p.m. Retirement Planning Today held at Calhoun Decatur, November 3rd and 10th or 7th and 14th, 5:30 p.m. to 8:30 p.m. Social Security Planning held at University of Alabama Huntsville, November 15th or 17th at 6 o'clock p.m. Dinner event held at Grill 29, November 30th or December 5th at 5:30 p.m. Once again, this is Jeremy Cloud with Cloud Investments, signing off for the month of October 2016. Please remember, nothing we talk about here is a recommendation. If you would like to discuss your personal financial situation, please give us a call at 256-715-0094. We'd be happy to talk to you.
While we believe the information in this report is reliable, we cannot guarantee its accuracy. Opinions expressed are subject to change without notice and are not intended as investment advice or a solicitation for the purchase or sale of any security. Please consult your financial professional before making any investment decision. Investment advisory services offered through Cloud Investments, LLC, a registered investment advisor in the state of Alabama. Insurance products and services are offered through Cloud Financial Incorporated. Cloud Investments, LLC, and Cloud Financial Incorporated are affiliated companies.